Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Maths by Mother. Today I am going to solve 8th problem of the exercise 11.1 in the chapter of trigonometry from 10th standard textbook. Before getting into the topic, I request you to like and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Let's get into the topic. Problem number 8. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Here, tan A is equal to root 3. Consider denominator as 1 in this case. By the definition of trigonometric ratios, tan A is equal to side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A, that is equal to root 3 by 1. Opposite length is root 3 and adjacent length is 1. Now we have to find the value of AC. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB length is 1 square plus BC length is root 3 whole square. AC square is equal to 1 plus 3. AC square is equal to 4. AC is equal to square root of 4, that is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Here AC length is 2. That is equal to side opposite to angle A is BC by hypotenuse AC. BC by AC. BC length is root 3 and AC length is 2. Now we have to find the value of cos A. That is equal to side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. That is equal to AB by AC. AB length is 1 and AC length is 2. Now we have to find the value of sin C. Here angle will be changed. C is the angle of this triangle A, B, C. This is the opposite side to the angle. This is adjacent side to the angle. This is hypotenuse. Lengths are same. Root 3, 1, 2. Sin C is equal to side opposite to angle C by hypotenuse. Opposite length is AB by hypotenuse is AC. AB length is 1 and AC length is 2. Now we have to find the value of cos C. Side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse. That is equal to BC by AC. That is equal to BC length is root 3 by AC length is 2. We have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That is equal to, the value of sin A is root 3 by 2. The value of cos C is root 3 by 2 plus the value of cos A is 1 by 2. Sin C value is also 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to, 4 is common factor, 3 plus 1. 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. Second one. Now we have to find the value of cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. The value of cos A is 1 by 2 and the value of cos C is root 3 by 2 minus the value of sin A is root 3 by 2 and the value of sin C is 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 will get cancelled. That is equal to 0. Therefore, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equal to 0.